In the experience section of your resume, you'll be listing any part-time jobs, co-ops, or internships opportunities that you have had during your schooling career. When you're listing these, make sure to list your most recent job experience first on your resume. When you're describing the responsibilities, which is the bulleted section of your packet, you want to make sure that you're using action verbs to start out your responsibilities and accomplishments. There's a sheet at your station to help you out with these action verbs. That might look like facilitated the training of fellow staff members. You start out with those action verbs and then you list what you did after those action verbs. When listing responsibilities, you want to try to tailor what you did at your job that's going to be relevant to the job that you're seeking. For instance, if I'm applying for a security guard position, I might highlight that when I worked at Burger King, I was in charge of handling the evening checkout of the register and securing the perimeter and doors. As a security guard, I would be responsible for securing the perimeter and also handling money, so that might be something that's relevant to the job that I'm seeking. Make sure that you list any internships or co-op experiences that you've had in this section, even if they're not paid. Any experience is good experience.